Hello, my name is Azhallah. I'm 10 years old. I live in Malang, Indonesia. I'm gonna explain about a game that I have built. I named it Clean and Go Green. Clean and Go Green is an interactive game that uses a web camera to detect the movement and position of the user's hand. This game consists of two parts, which aims to build awareness towards environment cleanliness and energy saving. We will use hand gestures to put the different type of garbage in garbage bin and learn to replace ordinary home appliances with energy efficient home appliances. This is all the codes that I have written. The penguin is one of the main sprites that I use for the game. Also, here are all the sprites that I use for the game. Now, the extensions that I use are human body detection and text-to-speech. I use the text-to-speech extension to make the penguin voice. The penguin will say based on the text that I have written. Now for the human body detection, I use it on all of the garbage items. Here's one example. When the sprite is clicked, turn on video on stage with 88 transparency so that the background is still clear. So now, let me show you how to play it. Like what I mentioned earlier, before starting the game, please make sure our computer has working camera, because we need it to track our hand to play. This is the opening of the game. In this screen, we have two options, play and instruction. If we click on instruction, we will get information about how to play this game. And if we choose play, the game will start like this. The penguin will tell and explain us
There are a
what
lot
to
of
do.
people who throw trash carelessly. But don't be like them. We need to pick up these trash floating in the river. Click on one of the trash and drag it to the trash can with your thumb.
We can start by clicking one of the scattered rubbish items that are floating on the river. When we click one of them, it will be placed to our hand. We move our hand to drag the item to the rubbish bin. When we accomplish to put the rubbish in the bin, some information will show to inform us about that kind of garbage. We can continue to put the remaining rubbish into the bin, read every information about them. After all is done, we will go to the next section.
Good job. Because of you, the river is now clean. But it isn't over yet. We are going to our last destination. Now this is about saving power. Replace the stuff with something that can save more power.
In this section, we will learn how to optimize energy saving in our house. We can do it by replacing common house appliances with energy efficient appliances. For example, we click to LED light bulbs and drag them to replace ordinary light bulbs. And so on.
Congratulations. You have completed Clean and Go Green. Because of you, you have officially saved the environment. You've cleaned the river and optimized energy usage in your home. Thank you for playing Clean and Go Green.
After all is done, the game is finished. And now we've learned to be more aware about our surroundings, cleanliness or tidiness. We also learned how to save more energy in our home. Thank you for your attention. Goodbye.